Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Authorize.net merchant account, fast access step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Authorize.net login page. You can do this by typing Authorize.net into your web browser's search bar. Once the search results appear, click on the official Authorize.net website link. On the home page, look towards the top right corner for the login button. Click on this login button to be directed to the merchant account login page. Here, you'll see two fields, one for your username and another for your password. Enter your username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you want your browser to remember your login details for future access, check the box labeled Remember Me. Once you've filled in both fields, click the blue login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Authorize.net merchant account dashboard. In case you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link below the login field. Follow the prompts to reset your password and gain access to your account. If you encounter any issues while logging in, consider checking your internet connection. Make sure that your browser is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. Once logged in, take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Here, you can manage transactions, view reports, and access account settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.